اشترك في القناة وفعل زر الجرس ليصلك كل جديد.
Have you ever wished you could just look at a huge number and know its secrets? Well, today we're going to unlock a few simple math tricks that will make you feel like an absolute genius. Let's dive right in. Okay, take a look at this number, 74,928. Now, could you tell me right now if you can divide it perfectly by 6? No calculator allowed. It seems kind of tough, right? But trust me, by the end of this, you'll solve problems like this in seconds. So here's the thing. The secret isn't about being a human calculator and doing crazy long division in your head. No. It's about having the right keys to unlock the puzzle. And right now, we're going to find those keys together. Our first key is honestly the easiest one of them all, which makes it a fantastic place to start. Let's talk about the rule for dividing by 2. It really is this simple. A number can be divided by 2 if it ends in an even digit. That's it. If that very last digit is a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, you're golden. It's a neat little shortcut that works because our number system is based on 10, and since 10 is divisible by 2, only that last digit really matters. For example, let's take the number 358. We can totally ignore the 3 and the 5. All we care about is that last digit, the 8. And since 8 is an even number, we know instantly that 358 is divisible by 2. See? Easy. Okay, your turn. What about 129? Just look at that last digit. Can you divide it by 2? Nope, because 9 is an odd number. You've totally got this. All right, let's grab our second key. This one is a little more involved, but it's such a clever trick. This is the rule for dividing by 3. Now for this rule, we don't care about the last digit at all. Instead, we're going to add up all the digits in the number. If that sum, the total, is something you can divide by 3, then guess what? The original big number is 2. It's this wild mathematical property that just works every single time. Let's try it out with 522. So we add the digits 5 plus 2 plus 2. That equals 9. And we all know that 9 is divisible by 3, right? So that means 522 is also divisible by 3. Pretty cool, huh? So what do you think about 713? Let's do the math together. 7 plus 1 plus 3, that gives us 11. Can you divide 11 by 3 evenly? Nah. So 713 isn't divisible by 3 either. See? You're really getting the hang of it. Okay, you've mastered the first 2 keys. You're ready. It is time for the big reveal. The secret to dividing by 6 is, well, there is no new secret. It's all about combining the 2 keys that we've already learned. Yep, to figure out if a number is divisible by 6, you just have to ask 2 simple questions. First, can you divide it by 2? And second, can you divide it by 3? That is the entire trick. It's a 2-for-1 deal. If the answer to both of those questions is yes, then the number is without a doubt divisible by 6. It has to pass both tests, no exceptions. All right, you have the keys, you know the rules. It's time to go back to that very first monster of a problem and solve it like a pro. Remember this guy? 74,928. It doesn't look so intimidating anymore, does it? We have a simple 2-step plan to tackle this. Let's do it. Okay, step 1. Let's check for 2. We look at the last digit. It's an 8. That's an even number. So, check. That's a big yes. Now for step 2, let's check for 3. We add up the digits. 7 plus 4 plus 9 plus 2 plus 8. That all adds up to 30. So is 30 divisible by 3? Yes, it is. 10 times. So that's another check. So because 74,928 passed both tests, it's divisible by 2 and it's divisible by 3, we can say with 100% confidence that yes, it is divisible by 6. And you just figured that out without breaking a sweat. And there you have it. In just a couple of minutes, you've unlocked a really powerful mental math trick. The world of numbers is just full of these elegant, clever patterns, all just waiting to be discovered. So the only real question left is, what's the next secret you want to unlock?